Lieutenant Colonel Scott Heidemann. The Globemasters are Senior Master Sergeant Al Marguia.
I know.
Senior Master Sergeant Lonnie Kimball and Technical Sergeant Lance Augustine. This crew has a combined total of over 35,000 flying hours. Various aircraft, including the Galaxy, the C-141 Starlifter, the T-38 Talon, and the T-37 Tweet. The C-17's first pass today will be a high-speed pass. After completing the teardrop maneuver to align with the runway, the crew will accelerate to 250 knots, demonstrating the rapid strategic capability of the airplane. The C-17 design includes a modern computerized glass cockpit, heads-up display at both pilot stations, and advanced cargo handling system, allowing it to operate with a crew half the size of current aircraft. Only 3 crew members are required to fly the C-17. The aircraft's advanced design allows it to accomplish its entire mission with this minimum crew. And here he comes. Notice how quiet the C-17 is while passing the shore center. This gives the Globemaster a tactical advantage while flying low over hostile territory. The C-17 provides a direct delivery capability that combines the intercontinental cargo carrying capabilities of a large aircraft such as the C-5 Galaxy and the 141 Starlifter. With the short runway capability of the much smaller C-130, it can routinely land on runways only 3,000 feet long. 4 Pratt & Whitney F-117 engines power the C-17. These are the same engines used in the Boeing 757, each engine delivering over 400 nautical miles. The C-17 can reach anywhere in the world using its air refueling capability. As he passes this time, look at the leading edge slats and the large powered lift wing caps. These devices change the shape of the wing and the key to its low wing approach speed. The C-17 will now maneuver to show its ability to fly at slow speed and demonstrate its advanced aerodynamics in action.
Yeah, I think so.
The aircraft is performing a series of steep bank turns to maneuver for a low-speed pass and a circle over the airfield. In case you're wondering how big it is, the wingspan tip to tip is about half the length of a football field. The tail is over 5 stories tall, and empty, the C-17 weighs almost 280,000 pounds. To give you a better of the idea of the aircraft's overall size, those little winglets you see on the wingtips are over 9 feet tall. Quadruple redundant fly-by-wire system to run its flight controls. The fly-by-wire system means the aircraft's flight controls are electronically operated by inputs from the control stick. The C-17, however, still has a The C-17 is now maneuvering to demonstrate a full flap approach to a simulated short-field runway. This short-field capability allows the C-17 to land at over 6,000 more airfields worldwide than currently available to the C-141, the C-5, and commercial wide-body aircraft. fact, during the NATO peacekeeping mission to Bosnia, C-17 crews airlifted nearly one-half of the total cargo in only one-fourth of the mission, while boasting an impressive 90% reliability rate. Turning to final now, the aircraft you see weighs almost 400,000 pounds. On the final approach, its speed is about 90 miles per hour. September of 1991. Since then, the C-17 has set over 20 world records. For now, we're demonstrating the very short landing distance of the C-17. Follow your left, your short field landing. The Globemaster comes out of a combat.
That's hot.
C-17, the Globemaster 3.
Is that amazing looking? Oh my god.
And yes, you can put your hands together for that fine tactical demonstration.